Kigomano-ini kiama kanitha ma kiroho kiria giguthaganitio kanitha-ini wa Baptist County ya Nairobi ni kwa Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto etamburukiirie agitariria kanitha mubango uria ari naguo kuri muingi. Ruto ni augire ni arikitie gukurana bata wa bururi wihandite wega kimbeca na nikio wathani-ini wake agekirira ukuria wa utonga wa bururi.
We must for a first time insist on growing the economy and making sure that that economy actually grows jobs.
Ihinda-ini riu niariire thirikari-ini yake arimi na huri biashara nini matikariganira kaimana.
The people at the bottom of the pyramid are the millions of young people walking our streets, walking our villages, walking our markets with certificates and without jobs.
Na uriri githiururi kigi utongoria wa atumia na wigananu wa arume na atumia utetini ithiete na mbere kurigicana. Ruto ni ahinyiriirie no muhaka mageka mogaruruku icunjĩ-inĩ imwe cia gatiba niguo gukinyaniria wigananu uyu mangikahotana.
In my administration, by God's grace, I will make sure that I will meet the requirements of the Constitution when it comes to matters inclusivity.
Ciĩgiĩ ũteti, Ruto ni oririe kanitha ndugetikire guikara keheri-ini no handu-ini hake metikire kunyita itemi riria ririao uteti-ini mategwitigira.
Doesn't mean you must agree with everybody, but it means you speak your truth. When a decision is made, you have to agree with what the majority have decided.
Thutha wa kigomano giki Ruto ni ambikire icera thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Mukarara gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Ndagurĩtia muhuro kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kuria niariire angigathurwo ni makagia na mubango wa gutigira arutwo othe a thukuru cia muthingi ni maheo irio thukuru.
Serikali yetu ya Kenya Kwanza tumeweka katika manifesto yetu, all our governors, all our members of parliament, there will be appropriate legislation to make sure that all our children can get food in school.
Ruto ugite gwiko ni guguthara arutwo aria magumeirwo ni ukia guthie na mbere na mathomo mao kuona ingi ao ni magaga guthie thukuru mahinda kwa mahinda ni wagi wa irio.
Ile tunasema lazima kuwe na vitabu shuleni, vile vile lazima tuwe na mpango ya lunch shuleni.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV retora kwa neno gari wa Kamau.